Hi guys, it's Laura, and we just got our brand new chairs. Had to try them out in the front yard because I needed to see what they look like before we went to the beach. And so far we're loving it. Can you tell hubby loves it too? So it does come with a manual. So if you are manual readers, this comes with one. We are not, so we just glance, toss on the ground, and do it ourselves. It is super comfy. Oh my goodness. Let me show you before I sit down. So it is a full chair all the way down to the feet. You can sit in it and lounge with this nice pillow behind your head. Or you could lean back. Oh, even better, sunshiny day. Guess what else it has? Okay, if you're leaning back and you need it to lock into place, it has little locks so no kid can come by and shove you down, which ours probably would. But look what it has. Place for your drinks, depending on what you're drinking. Place for your phones. It even has two other holders here, so it is absolutely perfect. So if you are in the need of a great lounging chair for the beach, the pool, or hey, even if you're going to the park watching the kids, this would be the one that I would choose.
Let's go to the beach.
Yeah.